Today we are showing you a 3-bedroom hall kitchen apartment in Byculla by one of the own renowned developers. You see the nice lovely living area which they have made. The floor to ceiling height is more than 10 feet. This is the beauty. It's a show flat by the developer. You see from the living area itself, you have a lovely view of the Mazgaon dock and the Atal Setu as well. Right now the climate is a little foggy, so the vision may not be clear. From living area, let's have a look at the dining area as well. Here you see the nicely done up 6-seater dining area. You can make it as 8-seater as well. From dining area, let's have a look at the kitchen. These are the parallel countertops and you have decent amount of space for refrigerator and washing machine as well. On the opposite side, you have the common washroom over here. On the diagonally opposite side of the common washroom goes the first bedroom, which doesn't have a washroom attached to it. So the developers have done this very nicely. From first, let's come to the second bedroom. This has a washroom attached to it. You have the space for wardrobe as well, plus enough leg space as you all can see, and the view definitely, it goes without saying, very nicely done up. And now coming to the most amazing beauty of this flat, the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom. You have a lovely deck attached to it as well. Let's go to the deck and have the view from the deck. You see the nice lovely view of the Mazgaon dock and the Atal Setu over here. Amazing open view you have. The bedroom is also very spacious and you see the washroom attached to it. That is also quite huge. It's around 3 BHK, around 1300 carpet area. We are in Byculla. For carpet area pricing and other details, please see the description box. Kalpesh Thakkar from Jishnu Realtors. Thank you.